Hey everybody, welcome back to my Is that a gray hair? Well, that's not fun. Well, hey, we're celebrating my birthday today. So what we're going to do in this video, I wanted to talk about the different types of USB microphones. Because I know there are a lot of you out there that are just starting out and don't want to jump into interfaces and complicated microphones and all that stuff. All you want to do is plug your microphone into your computer and, narrate your audiobooks, and that's it. You're fine. That's all I want to do. I just want to get started. What do I need to get started? So what we're going to talk about today is some USB microphones that are great to start with for voiceover and audiobook narration. And all of the microphones I'm going to show you today are purchasable. Purchasable? You can purchase them through Amazon. And I will put a link to these USB mics down below in the description of the video so you can easily find them. They will be affiliate links, so I will get a little bit of a commission if you buy it from the links down below. But just to make things easy, I'm going to put those links down below for you. And I also wanted to mention that some of these USB mics have come highly recommended from other people to me and to other people to use. I have only used one of these personally, so I don't know everything about these, but I can also share with you a great YouTube channel to go to. He's a guy that does, comparisons on just about everything technical and is a great watch. But long story short, I just wanted to add that disclaimer that I've only personally used one of these, and the rest of them have been highly recommended by others. So keep that in mind. All right, now let's get into it. All right, this was my first microphone, the Blue Yeti USB mic. I know there are a lot of YouTubers who use this particular mic. There are a lot of audiobook narrators who use this particular mic and have used it for a long time. I used it for probably a good year, and then I upgraded to an XLR mic. But this is not a mic to be overlooked. It is fairly large. It does sit on its own little base, so you can prop it up right in front of you. And it sounds great. And as you can see here, it is a condenser mic. It's got 4 different pickup patterns, and your your headphone plugs right into it. It does have a mute. So you can mute yourself if you decide to use this for podcasting. So if you're interviewing somebody else, you can quickly mute yourself. So this is a great little all-around mic. And this is what I mean by the different 4 pickup patterns. These are the patterns in which the recordings are captured. So either if you've got 2 people in the room, it could pick you up from, on either side of the mic, right directly in front of the mic, all around the mic, and you get the picture. Your gain control for the mic is right on the mic itself. A lot of mics don't have this. This is a nice touch. And it is plug and play for Mac and PC. And when I mentioned that it was large, the microphone itself on its stand is almost 12 inches long. And this is the blackout edition. I think there are a few other colors. So here's a blue. And it looks like both of these are available right now on Amazon for $129.99. This was another USB mic that was highly recommended by a few different people and used by not only voiceover artists, but also by streamers, podcasters, people who game on YouTube. It looks like it also does come with a headphone output and a blend feature. It is a cardioid condenser microphone. And it does come with the tripod, a pop filter, and a carrying case. This one is a little bit more on the expensive side, but Apogee is a well-known name in the voiceover world. And it looks like it would be a great little USB mic to carry with you on the go. This one is another USB mic that I personally know of a few people who use every day. This is the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus. It is also a cardioid condenser USB mic, and it also has a built-in headphone jack and volume control. Again, which you don't see a lot in USB mics, but this one does have it. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac. And this looks like it does come with the accessories, the tripod, the mounts, and the cables, as well as a little carrying case. This one is another mid-range price range at $149 currently on Amazon, and it looks like it's only available in black. It's a nice looking mic. This is another USB mic that is by another well-known name in the voiceover world, which is Rode. This is the Podcaster USB dynamic microphone. This one also is Windows and Mac compatible. It includes a 10-foot USB cable and a stand mount. This one is a unidirectional pattern, which means you could pretty much place it anywhere in front of you and it'll pick you up. And this USB mic looks like it only comes in white. I could be wrong, but this would be another great one to start with. It looks like it is currently on sale at Amazon for $229, but regularly $369. But this would be another great one to start with for a USB mic, and probably keep for a long time. This is another one that I know of some people who personally use this one. This is the Samson G-Track Pro USB condenser microphone. And even in the titles, it says for voiceovers, podcasting, and home studio recording. It looks like this comes as a bundle with a ring light, a 3-foot USB extension cable, the pop filter, and it looks like the microphone has its own stand, much like the Blue Yeti. It also has the monitor switch for a headphone for like live monitoring your voiceover. You can turn that on or off. And this microphone says that it has a built-in audio interface, 2 in, 2 out. But this little microphone looks like it has a lot of really cool features. And it has 3 different polar patterns: unidirectional, bidirectional, and omnidirectional. The omnidirectional would be if you have a room full of other people with guitars or instruments, that sort of thing. If you have a room full of people, if you're podcasting. Unidirectional would be if you're only recording yourself directly in front of the microphone. Or bidirectional would be for like a one-on-one interview where you have one person on either side of the microphone. But the features on this microphone are really, really interesting. I wish I had seen this one a long time ago. This would be a good one to start with. And it is currently $154.99 on Amazon. And I will leave that link below for this one. And last but not least, we have the Shure MV7 USB. This one is really interesting because you can use this mic as either a USB or an XLR, meaning you would need a audio interface. It also has a built-in headphone output, like most USB mics do. And there are a lot of YouTubers that I've seen using this mic and a lot of people talking about how great this mic is. I have not personally used it, but I've heard a lot of great things about it. And then here is a silver one. And it looks like this one is currently on sale for $242 on Amazon, regularly $311. And as I had mentioned before, I had mentioned a YouTube channel where this gentleman, Mike, discusses everything voiceover related, and he compares all kinds of mics together and all kinds of other equipment. He's very, very funny, and his information that he provides is very, very useful. Great guy. I highly recommend this channel, Booth Junkie. And there you go. There are some USB mics, some great USB mics to get you started with audiobook narration or for voiceovers. Those are some really great USB mics. I don't recall some of those being available when I first started, but they look pretty good to me. If you have any other questions for me, apart from the USB mics or anything voiceover related, audiobook related, please let me know down below. Send me an email. I love to hear from you guys. If you want more information about me or want more information about voiceover and audiobooks in general, come over to my website, voiceoverangela.com. I've got a great group of people there. I've got courses. I've got one-on-one sessions. I've got everything that you could probably need to help get you started in voiceover. So thanks again. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.